I have been struck with the inspiration. Just like every great artist, I too have watched a little too much YouTube, and now I want to commit a war crime. And that's what we're going to be doing today. I want to be turning my katana into a falchion. All jokes aside, I've been thinking about this for a while. And to be honest, my biggest problem with the katana is its handle. It just doesn't feel very right, and the guard's pretty okay too. So, that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna change it and make it better. Let's start off by taking apart our sword. Now that our katana is naked, we can swing around the blade and feel like Melena from Elden Ring.
You are maidenless.
In class today, I drew a pretty quick sketch of what I want the final product to look like, then picked out the pieces of maple wood that are usable for the handle and guard. Speaking of which, let's begin with our guard. Now on to the handle. Now for the spookiest part of all, cutting the handle in half. Now, a normal person would have cut this out previously, just like I did with the slingshot video. But we are not most people, so we're gonna have to hope and pray that this thing comes out pretty even. Whew, that was a close one, but don't worry, it turned out sexy in the end. Time to fit the handle to the blade. Dang! This thing is looking finer than a 1000 grits piece of sandpaper. Drill those holes. Glue it up. stain. After you put in all your pins and wrap the handle, you are done. This is going to be a controversial sword. I already know it. Just know, I really do love katanas. And everything that I've done in this video, I have made sure to make it that I can undo what I have done. All I need to do is unwrap the handle, take out the pins, and put the other furniture back on, and well, it's a katana again. I really didn't do anything that, like, harmed this blade, unless you call wrapping a piece of tape around to act as the, excuse my non-knowing of Japanese, this part. So yeah, if you're having problems with that, just wrap some hockey tape around and it catches pretty good. Besides that, all I have to do is unwrap that too, but nothing really damaged the blade during this. But all in all, I really like this. It feels better in the hands, and in my opinion, it is just better. I understand why you might not agree with me on that, but honestly, this thing kind of reminds me of a cartoon sword, or like, I don't know. I felt like it's something I could see in Stardew Valley. You know, this could be one of the swords you get in the mines, or I don't know. It looks kind of cartoony to me. I love it. This thing feels like so agile. I cannot stress. I feel like it's so quick because of this extra hand room opposed to this. It's like this. It's extra room for extra stuff. And I love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for all the recent support. And even if you don't like this katana, maybe like this video. If you like this video, and even if you didn't like how this thing turned out, let me know in the comments. I'm curious your thoughts, and if you think I've made something that's beautiful or something that's disgusting. And yes, everything, I'm not going to pretend like this is my own idea. I kind of got this idea from Shadowversity. I got inspired, and honestly, I gotta say, this thing is beautiful. Thank you for all the recent support, and I'll see you in the next one for some holiday surprises. That's all I got for you. Farewell, friend.